Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix your payment method was declined error on iPhone. If you are using any iPhone and you are trying to purchase anything using your payment method but you're facing the issue that your payment method was declined, so let's see how can you fix that. So you just have to go back from here and you have to open your app store, but very first you have to check some settings to prevent issues. So you have to double check your network connection, that you have a strongest and stable network connection, or you can try to enable and disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times to make a quick refresh with your network settings. And open settings app, go for general, go for VPN and device management, and you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. Then go back, go for language and region, select the region in which you are living or which one you want to use for your Apple ID or payment method. Then go back, try to update your software, go to software update, and you have to make sure that you have an independent software update. After doing that, you just have to open your app store, tab on the profile option in the top right corner, then tap on your account here, verify yourself using your Face ID or Apple ID password, and then go to manage payments, and you have to make sure that you have deleted your previous payment method. So once you have deleted your previous payment method, go back and select country or region option. Select your own country or region in which you're living or which you have just selected for your iPhone. And I have selected UK, so I'm going to select UK again. Tap on continue option, then tap on agree in the top right corner. And here you need to update your payment method. You can add your previous payment method. It will refresh or re-update all of your payment information, or you will not get the same issue again. Or if you don't want to use the previous payment method, you can easily add a new one here, add your card here, your billing address here, your phone number here, and your name here. Once you have added all of these, you just have to tap on the turn option in the top right corner, and your payment method will be completely updated to your Apple ID. After that, you will not get any issue anymore. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.